So here comes the first question of tracing of polar curve. Trace the curve r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. This curve is called as Bernoulli-Lemniscate. Okay. Now, so as usual, we will go by the procedure. What is the rule 1? Rule 1 is symmetry. So we need to check all the symmetries over here. Okay, so what is first? First one is symmetry about pole. So if we replace, what is the rule for symmetry about pole? If we replace r by minus r. Now see, in this given equation, if we replace r by minus r, this becomes again r square. So equation will be unchanged. So if we replace r by minus r in r square equal to a square cos 2 theta, equation remains unchanged. Therefore, curve is symmetric about pole. Okay, now the second one, second symmetry is about initial line. Now what is the condition for symmetry about initial line? If we replace theta by minus theta. Okay, so if you replace theta by minus theta in this equation, what you will get? Cos of minus 2 theta, which is again cos 2 theta. Therefore equation remains unchanged. Therefore curve is symmetric about initial line. Initial line means theta equal to 0, that is in Cartesian form we can say x-axis. Okay, and the last symmetry is about theta equal to pi by 2. So we can say if we replace r by minus r and theta by minus theta simultaneously, then see again r by minus r, so it will be minus of r square, that is r square, and cos of minus 2 theta, that is cos 2 theta. So again equation remains unchanged. Therefore curve is symmetric about theta equal to pi by 2, that is in Cartesian, or in simple way we can say y-axis. Okay, so this is symmetry. Okay, now the next is we need to check for, yes, rule 2 is rule 2 is pole. Okay, now we need to see whether it passes through pole or not. Now see, by observation we need to find such values of theta for which r becomes 0. Do there exist any value of theta for which r becomes 0? Now see, r will be 0 when cos theta will be 0, cos 2 theta will be 0 when 2 theta will be pi by 2, that is when theta is equal to pi by 2 or pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4, r becomes 0. Therefore curve passes through the pole. Okay, now this is rule 2. So for theta equal to pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4, how does this come? Now see, r will be 0 when cos 2 theta is 0, cos 2 theta is 0 when angle is odd multiple of pi by 2, that is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, and so on. So that is theta is pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, and so on. So when for this theta r becomes 0, therefore curve passes through pole. Okay, now next is we need to find tangents at pole. So rule 3 is tangent. Okay, so what is tangent? We need to find tangent. How do we find tangents at pole? to find tangents at pole, put r is equal to 0. Okay, so if you substitute r equal to 0, what you will get? A square cos 2 theta equal to 0. That is cos 2 theta equal to 0. That is cos 2 theta is 0 for odd multiple of pi by 2. That is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, and so on. So this is when theta is pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Okay, so these are the tangents at pole, that is tangents at origin. Now next is rule number 4, that is find angle between tangent and radius vector. Okay, so this that is phi. Okay, so what is the formula? Tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr, that is r upon dr by d theta. So we will find dr by d theta. Okay, now why do we find this? Because see, in rule number 3 what we have done, we have found the tangents at pole. Now this we have done for tangents at other points. Okay, so now see, tan phi is equal to r upon dr by d theta. So we need to find dr by d theta. To find dr by d theta, so what is r square? Is a square cos 2 theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So this is 2r, and then derivative of r with respect to theta, that is dr by d theta is equal to a square as it is. What is derivative of cos 2 theta? Minus sin 2 theta, right, into 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you get r or dr by d theta is equal to minus a square sin 2 theta upon r. Put this value of dr by d theta over here. Therefore tan phi is equal to r, that is tan phi is equal to r upon minus a square sin 2 theta, that is upon r. This r will go in numerator and multiply with this r, become r square minus a square sin 2 theta. So tan phi is equal to, what is value of r square? A square cos 2 theta minus a square sin 2 theta. A square gets cancelled. So this is cot 2 theta minus cot 2 theta. Now to convert the cot minus of cot, we will add pi by 2 to make it tan. So that is tan phi is equal to tan of pi by 2 plus 2 theta, because tan of pi by 2 plus any angle becomes minus cos of cot of that angle. That is, now tan inverse, taking tan inverse, so you will get phi is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Okay, that means at theta equal to 0, means if the curve intersects the initial line, then that is at theta equal to 0, what will be the angle between tangent vector and radius vector? At theta equal to 0, phi is pi by 2, that is tangent is perpendicular to the initial line. Okay, so if the tangent exists on the initial line, it will be perpendicular to it. Okay, so now for that we need to find the point where tangent exists. Okay, so now see, what is the rule number? Yes, rule number 5. Rule number 5 is make the table of theta and r. So for different values of angles, we will find value of theta. So first for theta equal to 0, for theta equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. So r square becomes a square, right? For theta equal to 0, r square becomes a square. So r is equal to plus minus a, or you can say r is plus a, because theta equal to 0 is the positive x-axis. Okay, now for theta equal to pi by 4 we will consider. Here the value we will consider will be the value we have got over here. Okay, so for theta equal to pi by 4, this becomes 0. 3 pi by 4, it becomes 0 if you substitute over here. Now for theta equal to pi, cos 2 pi is 1. So r square is a square. R square is a square means r is plus minus a. Now see, for theta equal to 0, r is plus a we have to consider, and theta equal to pi, r is minus a, because theta equal to pi means negative side of x-axis and theta equal to 0 means positive side of x-axis. Okay, so this is minus a. Now for 5 pi by 4, again it becomes 0. For 7 pi by 4, it is 0, because pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, so 4 and this 2 will get cancelled, so you will get 5 pi by 2, and for odd multiple of pi by 2, cos is 0, so this is 0, and for 2 pi again you get a, but 2 pi means what? Again 0. Okay, so now and the last rule is rule number 5, that is find region of absence. Okay, now for region of absence, what we can say, see, as theta increases from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, r square will be 0. R square will be negative. How? I have explained over in the properties video. Now see, for theta equal to pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, let us take any one value between these, that is theta equal to pi by 2. So r square equal to a square cos of 2 into pi by 2. So what is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So r square is equal to a square into cos of pi. Cos of pi is minus, so it is minus a square. So for this, r square becomes minus a square. Therefore, for, or we can say from theta equal to pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, r square is negative. Okay, now similarly for 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, let us consider in between value, that is 6 pi by 4. So for a square cos of 6 pi by 4 into 2. Okay, for theta equal to 6 pi by 4, this is 2 and 2. So cos of 3 pi is again minus 1. Cos for odd multiple of pi is minus 1. So it is minus a square. So again r square becomes negative, that is from theta equal to 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, r square is negative. Therefore, curve does not exist between pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. Okay, so now let us draw the curve. Okay, now we will trace the curve. So it looks like, see, first draw. Now see, we know that curve is symmetric about initial line, so we will draw initial line is theta equal to 0. This is theta equal to pi by 2. So what we will do, so we know that it is symmetric about initial line. Okay, now it passes through pole. Okay, passes through pole means curve passes through here. Okay, now what is the next thing? What are the tangents at pole? Tangents at pole is pi by 4. So pi by 4 looks like this, pi by 4. Then other tangent at pole is 3 pi by 4. We have found this. Okay, then other tangent is 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Okay, now see, it should be tangent at origin, so either it should be this way or this way. Okay, this line theta equal to pi by 4, if it is a tangent, then curve should be like this or this. But as this is our region of absence and this is region of absence, so curve will be like this. Okay, now see, we will plot the points. Okay, so what are the points? For theta equal to 0, r is a. So for theta equal to 0, r is a. So let us consider this distance is a. Okay, so this is a. Now in the angle between tangents and radius vector, what we have found, see, if on the initial line tangent exists, then that should be perpendicular to initial line. Means if initial line means this, if so, if the tangent exists on this line, anywhere on this line, it should be perpendicular. Now the curve will be like this, so tangent will exist over here, right? So this will be perpendicular. Okay, so this is tangent also. Now see, what is the next point? Plot the point. 3 pi by 4, 0. That means for 3 pi by 4 it becomes 0. So for 3 pi by 4 it is 0. Again for pi it is minus a. So for pi this is theta equal to pi. Okay, so for theta equal to pi it is minus a. So let us consider minus a will be there. Okay, now since it is symmetric about theta equal to pi by 2, this will also be like this. So here also you will have a tangent. Okay, so this is tangent. Draw this dotted line. Okay, so this is a tangent. Okay, now see, again for 3 pi by 4 it is 0 and 3 pi by 4 should be tangent, so this curve will be like this. Now in between it can be anything, but the curve will be without sharp points, so draw this like this. Okay, so let us consider how will you identify this for the initial points or for the middle points, the shape of the curve. Let us consider between angle between this pi by 4 and pi by 4 and 0. So theta equal to pi by 8. Let us consider theta equal to pi by 8. So what is r square equal to a square cos of 2 into theta, that is pi by 8. That is r square equal to a square into cos of pi by 4. What is cos of pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Okay, so whatever you will get the value, it will be less than a divided by 2 raised to 1 by 4. Okay, so again you will get some point over, so for you will draw like this. Okay, this is just for the understanding. Now since it is symmetric about initial line, so it will go like this. Okay, so this is Bernoulli's lemniscate. Now this is theta equal to pi by 4 is a tangent. Yes, theta equal to 3 pi by 4 is tangent, 5 pi by 4 is tangent, and 7 pi by 4 is a tangent. So this point is minus a, this point is a 0, right? This is minus a 0. Okay, so this is how you need to trace the polar curves.